Hey, what's up family? This is Mia, and in today's video, I'm just going to share a quick progress video as I make more room on my front porch for more veggies. That said, let's begin. Hey, what's up? My name is Mia, and welcome to my humble abode. My Afro-Bohemian Homestead is a channel dedicated to showing urban dwellers how to use their space to be more sustainable, self-sufficient, and live a simple life. So if you're looking for ways to add fruits of preservation, gardening, cooking, DIY, and more to your space, then you have come to the right place. Today we're going to focus on pretty much clearing a space for my houseplants. So videos, many videos ago, you already know that my desire is to actually turn my home into an urban homestead. And I'm starting to realize that I need to do the small projects in order to make that happen. So one of the small projects that I started this season was container gardening, and it's surprisingly, well, not surprisingly, but I should have more confidence in myself, but I'm gonna say my initial thought, surprisingly, I've been doing very well with it. So now I want to get into doing more container vegetables. So I can't do that without getting rid of, or not even getting rid of, let me correct myself, moving my house plants. And you already know I'm a succulent lover, so I have a lot of succulents sitting on my front porch. However, it's time to move them towards the back. So I decided to go outside and do a small project, which took a lot of energy, but it was a small project, into utilizing some old stones and wood that we had that was given away for free, and we just grabbed it and move it to a more sunnier spot and actually put my house plants there. So that's what you're witnessing in this video. You're going to see me pretty much make space in our patio area. And note, this is part one. We still got to cut the grass. We still got to plant plants. This is a lot going on, so don't judge my back porch or my back patio. Anywho, this is part one of getting my house plants, and now after this is done, I will be able to put more container plants on the front porch, continue to test and learn and grow, and share it with you all. So with that said, that's what this video is about, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a quick one, but I'm proud of my progress. Well, there you have it. Now I have space on my front balcony to grow more veggies, so stay tuned for future videos to see how I utilize this space. Well, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in to my Afro-Bohemian homestead. I hope that this video helped you in some shape or form, and it inspired you to consider urban homesteading in your space. That said, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that like subscribe, and notification bell so you can join the family. Plus, it helps us out. And when you get a chance, go ahead and check out our other videos over there just to see what we're about. You know, we talk about DIY projects, urban gardening, and also food preservation and whatever else is relevant to homesteading. So it'd be nice for you to join us and check us out and maybe teach us a thing or two. That said, thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, enjoy simple living and stay supertastic. Peace.